Hello, family of mummytvm YouTube channel. How you all doing? Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are making okra soup. This is my okra. You can see it looks so very fresh, guys. So I have my smoked turkey meat. I smoked this turkey with my oven. I kept it inside the freezer. I just bring it out to use it to make this my delicious okra soup. You can see there are still eyes on meat, so I'm going to be adding it to this okra soup. I also have my fillet fish, guys. This fillet fish, I love it so much. Whenever I want to make okra soup or ogbolo soup, I usually add it to it. I love the aroma the fish is giving to the soup and the taste. I love it. That is why I usually use this fish to cook my okra soup and my ogbolo soup, guys. You can also try it, you will like it. So I'm going to be removing the skin from the fish. So I also have my fresh fish and bonnet pepper. I'm going to be using this fresh pepper or bonnet pepper or whatever you guys call it. So I have my sliced onions as well. I'm going to be using this onion to season my meat. You can see my meat. I have my cow leg and other assorted meats. So this is the meat I will be using to make this delicious okra soup, guys. So let me take these sliced onions outside. So I have my palm oil, you can see it, guys, and my salt. I'm not going to be using the whole salt, I will be using little salt. So I have 2 cubes of Maggi, 1 to seasoning my meat and 1 to cook the soup. So these are the ingredients I will be needing to cook this delicious okra soup. Now I'm going to dice my okra and my fresh pepper or bonnet pepper, whatever you guys call it. So I have finished chopping my pepper and my okra. So guys, I forgot to show you guys my crayfish. I'm not going to be blending this crayfish. I'm going to put it like that. That is how I want it. So I just want to be seeing it inside the okra soup, guys. Let's dive into the cooking. So here is my pot. So I'm going to be adding my meat inside the pot. Then I will add my fillets, dry fish. I will add my sliced onions. Guys, if you have not been using this fillet dry fish, just give it a try. You are going to love it. Then I will add my salt. I can just add a little salt to it. I don't like too much of salt. Then I will add my 1 Maggi cube. add water to it. So after adding my water, I am going to cover it for 15 minutes. Keep washing, guys. So this is my meat after 15 minutes. You can see it, the meat is ready. It's time to put the other ingredients. I'm just adding my fresh fish. And I will add my smoked turkey meat. Stir it together for just 1 minute. Now I'll add my pepper and my crayfish. Add 1 Maggi cube. Remember, guys, I said I'm going to be using 2 Maggi cube, one to season the meat and the other one to cook the soup. And we stir it together again. After stirring it, I'm going to cover it for 3 minutes. Wow, you can see it, guys. After 3 minutes, we are almost done with the cooking. Now I'm going to add my palm oil. Oh, my palm oil is sleeping. Wake up, wake up. The palm oil have to wake up. The heat will wake it up. Then I will stir it together. Continue to stir it. So I'm going to be adding my okra. Wow, we are almost done. 3 minutes, we are done, guys. Stir it a little. Our okra is ready, guys. You can see it. It looks so yummy. It looks so delicious, guys. Wow, this is so yummy. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Please, if you love this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this okra soup on the comment section, and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe as well. See you on my next video. Bye.